Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited to share with you guys a package that I just received in the mail. Let's open it together and see what's inside. It's prize nail mail. This is the prize that I won from Guylene325 here on YouTube. She had a Maniology giveaway. They hosted a giveaway on her channel. This is the prize. I was one of the lucky winners that was chosen and I'm so excited. Let's open it up together. Comes in a really pretty box. It says Sweet Treat Stamping Starter Kit. It has the Maniology logo here. On the front, it says Nail Stamping Starter Kit, Simple Nail Art in a Box. Oh, there's a sticker. How pretty. One stamp at a time. All right, so let's look at the box. Here it says Express Yourself, Mani Kit 106, and then it tells you what's included in the box. It has their social media, their website here. On the bottom of the box, they have instructions on how to use your stamping kit. So let's go ahead and open it. This, we have the beautiful stamping plate, Maniology M251. I'm so used to using the acrylic plates now that don't have the glare and I don't have to worry about the lights. It's tricky trying to get this so that you guys can see the beautiful images without getting the glare of the lights. And on the back of the plate, they have their logo on it. That's really pretty. All right, I think you can see the images a little bit better there. They're all beautiful. You have 4 full nail images and then a bunch of different individual smaller images. There's a little Maniology stamping guide. It has a little mini scraper card. Cute, I love the pretty design on it. We have a stamper. Oh wow, that's really pretty. It has a lid on it, and the lid is the one that has the design on it. Let me move this back. That's beautiful. So this is the stamper. I'm so excited to have a new stamper. One of my favorite stampers is this one. It's when they were called Bundle Monster. It says BMC year for Bundle Monster. And this is the double-ended stamper that I love, love, love using. It's very well used. So I'm really excited to see how this one works. I prefer to use smaller stampers instead of trying to get a big one, because with the big one you get a lot more of the images on the plate. So then I have to clean up more. But I'm really looking forward to trying this one. The back has a cover. Wow, so clear. It's slightly tacky, but it is pretty firm. And the last 2 things in the box are the beautiful stamping polishes. I love how well protected everything is. This foam is really firm. So we've got a beautiful red and a nice gold shade. The red is called Cherry Bomb and the gold is called Gold Rush. I already have their red from when they used to be called Bundle Monster. This one is called Fireside and the gold is called Heart of Gold, but it's a different type of gold. This one's more yellow leaning, and the red, yeah, they're different. This one is deeper. The new one is deeper, the Cherry Bomb. Before we can use our plate, we have to remove the protective film. And this is what the plate looks like without the protective film. All right, so let's test out the stamping polishes. Let's start with a red. So you can get an idea of how it will look over white or a lighter polish and how it will look over black or a darker polish. Now let's try the gold. I went ahead and applied 1 coat of this gorgeous Barielle nail polish. This one is called Elle Spell. If you're enjoying this video, leave a thumbs up to let me know. And this is the completed design. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I really love this beautiful stamping starter kit from Maniology. Thank you once again to Maniology and to Guylene for this lovely prize. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!